हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आशा है आप लोग अच्छे हैं और मज़े से पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं। अब हम लोग जो चैप्टर पढ़ रहे हैं उसका आगे का पार्ट पढ़ेंगे। नाउ सी, प्रीवियसली वी हैव लर्नड अबाउट जीरो ऑफ द लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल and the relation between the zeros and the coefficients of a polynomial. Today in this class we will discuss more about this chapter or this topic. Now see, previously I explained you that we will write zero of the linear polynomial. So we know about the linear polynomial degree 1. So the ax plus b is minus b by a, and that we have learned is equals to that minus b by a was what? Minus constant term by coefficient of x. Now see, therefore if ax plus b is a given linear polynomial, then we will write the zero of linear polynomial ax plus b is equals to what? Minus b by a. Now we will proceed to the next one. Our next one is what? Linear polynomial we have already learned. So we will learn about quadratic polynomial. Now see, in a quadratic polynomial, the sum of zeros of a quadratic polynomial, sum of zeros of a quadratic polynomial is equals to minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square, as it is a what? Quadratic polynomial. So its degree is how much? 2. Now see, product of zeros of a quadratic polynomial is equals to constant term by coefficient of x square. Now see, this is very important. You have to be very careful about that one. Now see, we have taken the zeros as alpha and what? Beta. So if alpha and beta are the zeros of a quadratic polynomial, now see, ax square plus bx plus c, then previously we have discussed that what? Alpha plus beta, sum of zeros. So I told you we have taken sum of zeros as what? Alpha and beta. So we will write alpha plus beta is equals to what? Minus b by a, and product of polynomial alpha into beta is equals to what? C by a. Now you just see the expression here, ax square plus bx plus c. So that what I told you, that what? Alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a, and alpha into beta is equals to what? C by a. Here c by a, c is what? Constant term and coefficient of x square. So here coefficient of x square is what? A. Here b, here we have written b in the case of sum of zeros. So minus b, this is coefficient of x. This is what? Coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. So don't get confused with this. Similarly, as we have learnt about alpha and beta, if suppose you will find, this is the third case, if alpha, beta and gamma are the zeros of a quadratic polynomial. If alpha, beta and gamma are the zeros of a cubic polynomial, not a quadratic polynomial. Now see, here then our polynomial will be written in this form, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, as we are discussing about cubic polynomial. And I told you in your previous class that for cubic the power of x will be how much, or you can say the degree of x will be how much? 3. Then we will write alpha plus beta plus gamma, sum of roots. Here our 3 roots are there. So alpha plus beta plus gamma is equals to how much? Minus b by a. Here don't get confused with the b. Again, alpha into beta plus beta into gamma, or you can say product, and plus gamma into alpha is equals to c by a, and alpha, beta and gamma is equals to minus d by a. This is the rare case. Mostly we will solve problems based on the sum of zeros and product of zeros. Now see, so we have seen for linear polynomial what? Minus b by a. Okay. While writing for quadratic polynomial, again we will write sum of zeros as what? Minus b by a, and product c by a. And for alpha, beta and gamma, same thing is there. Here don't get confused while writing alpha, beta and gamma. Minus d by a. D by a means what? This is constant term d here, and a is what? Coefficient of x What? Just you think. That will be coefficient of x cube, as it is a cubic polynomial. Now see, we have to learn some of the important things. What is the geometrical meaning of zero of a polynomial? Just geometrical meaning. So see, geometrically the zeros of polynomial px are precisely the x coordinates of the point where the graph y is equals to px intersects the x axis. इसका मतलब है जो ग्राफ को x एक्सिस को कितने बार वो इंटरसेक्ट मतलब कट करता है, ठीक है. नाउ सी, इन दैट केस इफ द पॉलिनोमियल इज linear, then it will intersect at how many point? 1 0. If a quadratic polynomial is quadratic, then there must be how much? 2 zeros. And in general you can say a polynomial of degree n has at most n zeros. Is that clear? Please you go through it. Once after writing the notes, you again and again go through it. After that you will understand how we will solve problems. Rest in the next class. Thank you.